Hey y'all, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really short and simple. It was just a date night that we had and I didn't want to forget it, so I figured I'd share it with you all. Pressure's on. Woo! Yeah. Happy birthday month.
Thank you. Did you really get that?
Try to make two at a time. Try to make two at one time. I did. So this was a place close to where we lived that had a Christmas light display this year, and we had seen a ton of people share about it and post pictures of it, and we had to go check it out for ourselves. I love Christmas lights. It just puts me in the holiday spirit and it makes me so happy. I think I could go look at them every evening if I knew enough places that had them. So they also had a hayride here that we of course had to take. It was lit up with Christmas lights. It was really fun. They had different little sections with different themes to it, and it was just really pretty. They had a ton of lights on the ride, and it was nice to just sit back and be able to enjoy looking at the lights instead of having to walk around and look at them. That might sound lazy, but it was a lot of fun. Michael. What are we gonna say? We're turning red.
Turning red? You're recording.
Yep. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas and a very happy new year.